Best way I've seen to fix faded paint? Dakota Shine. Order online at dakotashine.com or visit your regional farm stores to pick up your Dakota Shine today.
Machinery Pete has been talking about how hot the equipment market is. Well, today he drills down into the data on tractors between 130 and 200 horsepower.
On the used market, this is frankly one of the hottest categories that we see of all the equipment categories that we cover. Now, here's a visual representation from our just released Machinery Pete Used Values Index first quarter 2021 report in this category. And you can see on my 1 to 10 rating scale, we're up at a category rating of 9.1. Values have been rising the last few quarters, and this is the highest rating of any equipment category. Now, a big part of what's driving this is what's happening on the dealer lot. Now, here's a look from our MachineryPete.com back-end data. This is over 2.3 million searches on tractors 130 to 200 horsepower the past 17 months. And you can see that blue supply line steadily working down. So that's just, tightening supply on the dealer lot. Now, of course, that has the effect when a nice one shows up at auction, the demand has been going up. And some examples, now here's a 2014 John Deere 6150R, 821 hours on it. This sold on an auction in West Central Illinois, March 22nd, and went for $123,000 with no loader. Record high auction price there, again, on a 6150R sold with no loader. Now, more recently, another record price came out of a farm auction in Northeast Ohio, and this was on April 28th. This Kubota M135X with a loader, 769 hours on it, went for $58,000. The previous record price on a M135X with a loader was $56K, but 7 years ago.
Yes! 47, 47, 47, yes! 48, yes! 48, 49 up there, 49. I got 48,000, bid 49. Yes! 49 bids, 50, 50. I got 49, I get 50 grand, give me a yes! 50 bids, 51, 51. I got 50 bids, I get 51, 51. Yes! 51, 52, 52. I got 51, I get 52 up there to buy, give me up, I'm gonna get 52,000. 51, I get 52 on the outside, I get 52. 52, 1-5, here it goes. 52. Yes! 52 and 53. Yes! 53 and 54. Yes! 55. 55. I get 54, I get 55, I get 55, I get 56. 56,000. 56,000. I get 55,000, I get 56. 55, 56. Is that a yes? 56. 56. 56, 5. Is that what you're thinking? Is that a yes or no? 56, 5. 57. 57. 57. Yep. 57, 5. 57, 5. 58. 58. 57, 5 and 58. 57, 5 and 58. 58. Yep. 58, 58, 5. 58, you give her a good try. Sold 58,000. 116. 116 to buy her.
Your next piece of equipment is on MachineryPete.com. Search equipment from dealerships across the country to find what you're looking for. Only on MachineryPete.com.